Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace the dryer door strike, use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screws to release the old strike. Install the new door strike by aligning it on the front panel. Then secure it with the mounting screws. Confirm that the dryer door latches properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.